You need to take some measures to prevent clogging in your coffee machine. One important step is regular cleaning. Whether it's coffee grounds or residue from oils, regular cleaning effectively solves these issues. You need to make sure to purchase fresh coffee beans as needed and store them in a sealed container in a cool and dry place. Regular cleaning is key to keeping the coffee machine running smoothly and ensuring the quality of your coffee. Enjoy delicious coffee by using a clean and properly functioning coffee machine.